Alright, so this one has a screen problem where, you know, you can't do anything. It still works even though the screen's screwing up. So I've taken it apart. And whatever this thing is. Maker Base MKS Robin Nano V1.2. It kind of looks like a Raspberry Pi, sort of. I don't know exactly what it is, but here's the misfunctioning display. It had a sticker on the back of this little beeper thing. Maker Base. So it's possible I just need to replace this. There isn't going to be anything you're going to find in here. It had this little sticker on it. It says remove after washing. Actually, I'm going to put it back on there because this is a beep sensor and I'd rather have it quieter. So I'm wondering if maybe there's like a piece of something in between here causing this thing to go haywire, and it doesn't do it right away. It does it after it's been on for a while. Who knows, maybe reseating this thing will solve the problem. But this is a cool printer, so I would like to I'd like to do a few things to it, like add auto bed leveling maybe, and fix the display issue. At some point I'll probably buy a smaller printer, newer printer. You know, I'm not really sure about these people that say they want to buy a newer printer that prints faster, because I think, like, most of the printers are only capable of, like, printing, you know, this stuff at whatever speed the filament is capable of printing at. And, like, these say their theoretical is, like, 180 to 190 millimeters a second, but I'm printing at 50 and I'm having trouble going any faster than that with certain filaments. So this is an ARM processor. Okay. Anyway, so a newer, faster printer, what is that going to do if the print head can't support that, or the filament type can't be printed that fast? So I'm kind of curious about all that. Anyway, I'm looking at probably buying one of the new Ender V3, whatever the hell, one with the auto bed leveling, just to try it out, because they're under $200 right now. So I'm not seeing anything that would do anything here. I'm going to unseat this connector and then put it back in. These are kind of tricky, and you pull them out, don't try and lift them up, you'll break them. So I pulled that out of there. So we'll try and see if that does anything. And then the problem is I got to wait and see when it does something screwy, you know what I mean? Alright, so put it all back together, plugged everything in. Let's go ahead and booting. So, yeah, I don't know. We have to get it back together and see what it does. So, I imagine it's in the display, probably, not the controller, in case the thing continues to print.